This 2025 Nexus Triumph Super C 30 TSC is a Super C RV. It is located in Salisbury, North Carolina, 28146 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Nexus is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2025 Nexus Triumph Super C 30 TSC is built on an international chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.